Welcome to our felt products factory. Our factory is located in Nangong City, Hebei Province, renowned as the capital of felt in China. We have 6 specialized branches, including a pure wool felt factory, a large needle-punched polyester fiber felt factory, a felt crafts factory, a pure wool felt ball factory, a laser engraving CNC cutting factory, and a felt printing factory. The factory covers a vast area and is equipped with advanced production equipment and technology. The needle punching process of making felt can reach up to 5 needle punches. Our main products include polyester felt, wool felt, and various felt products such as felt storage boxes, felt bags, felt cat beds, felt balls, felt planting pots, industrial felt, decorative felt, and filter felt. We also provide personalized customization services, allowing your logo to stand out on each felt product. We have a team of experienced professionals dedicated to combining traditional craftsmanship with modern technology to produce high-quality felt products. Choosing us means choosing a trustful journey that leads the way of felt innovation.